Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the third question in exercise 4.3. Using determinants, find the value of lambda so that the points lambda, 7, 1 and minus 5 and minus 4, 5 are collinear. We know that 3 points are considered collinear, means the area, if we treat these points as vertices of a triangle, the area of the triangle is going to be equal to 0. So let's put the area of the triangle formula. So this is half into, the formula is x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1 and x3, y3, 1 is equal to 0. Now, if we take 2 to the other side, it will just be determinant of this value is going to be equal to 0. Now, let's substitute the value of the x1s and y1s. So, in the first case, it is going to be lambda, 7 and 1. Second case, it is 1, minus 5 and 1. In the last case, it's minus 4, 5 and 1. Now, this determinants values, we will equate it to 0 because they said these points are collinear. Then we will try to find the value of lambda. So, now let's expand. So, lambda into minus 5, minus 7 into 1 minus of minus 4 plus 1 into 5 minus 20 is equal to 0. Now this is going to be minus 10 lambda minus 7 into, this is 1 plus 4 is 5 and this is going to be minus 15. So this is equal to 0. So minus 10 lambda minus 35 minus 15 is equal to 0. So this means minus 10 lambda is equal to, we are taking these numbers the other side, so they will become positive. 35 plus 15 is 50. So lambda is equal to 50 by minus 10. So lambda is equal to minus 5. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.